Imagine you've just finished a long day, and all you want to do is relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But first, you need to figure out how to access the money you've earned through your Grabpay wallet. Ever wondered where to cash out your Grabpay wallet? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to convert your digital funds into cold, hard cash. Understanding Grabpay. Before we dive into the cash-out process, let's quickly recap what Grabpay is. It's a digital wallet platform that allows you to store and manage your money conveniently. You can use it for various transactions, including ride-hailing, food delivery, and online shopping. Cash-out methods. Now, let's get to the main event, cashing out your Grabpay wallet. There are a few different methods you can choose from, depending on your preferences and location. 1. In-app cash out. One of the most straightforward ways to cash out is directly through the Grab app. Here's how it works. Open your Grab app. Go to your wallet section. Look for the cash out option. Select your preferred cash out method, e.g., bank transfer, cash pickup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. 2. Grabpay card. If you prefer a more physical option, you can get a Grabpay card. This card works like a regular debit card, allowing you to withdraw cash from ATMs or use it for purchases. To get a Grabpay card, you'll need to apply for one through the Grab app. Once approved, you can collect it from designated locations. 3. Partner outlets. In some areas, Grab has partnered with retail outlets where you can convert your Grabpay balance into cash. Simply visit one of these outlets, present your Grabpay QR code, and request a cash out. Factors to consider. When choosing a cash-out method, consider the following factors. Fees. Some methods may involve fees, so check the Grab app for details, *. Convenience. Think about which method is most convenient for your location and lifestyle, *. Speed. The time it takes for the cash to be available may vary depending on the method, *. Tips for a smooth cash-out experience. Here are a few tips to ensure a hassle-free cash-out process. Verify your account. Make sure your Grabpay account is fully verified to avoid any restrictions, *. Check your balance. Before initiating a cash-out, verify that you have sufficient funds in your wallet, *. Be aware of transaction limits. There may be daily or monthly limits on cash-outs, so check the terms and conditions, *. Keep your credentials safe. Protect your Grab account details, including your password and PIN, to prevent unauthorized access, *. Cashing out your Grabpay wallet is a simple process that can be done in a few easy steps. Whether you prefer in-app cash outs, using a Grabpay card, or visiting partner outlets, there's a method that suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy Grabpay ing.